How to use Riffusion AI. Before we get started on the main purpose in this video, if you are a first timer trying to find a specific guide and how you can use Rifuse AI for the first time, Riffusion AI is actually a practice tool designed for research and creative endeavors. It facilitates real-time music generation based on text prompts, making suitable for any task such as generating artwork, audio, and aiding in the creative process. So before we get started, we cannot do anything in these options right here if we will not create an account. So of course, open up your preferred web browser, but in this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to refusion.com. This is going to be your interface. So just simply go to the login page and you can choose between your Discord account, your Google Mail, or your existing phone number. Now I'm going to be trying to use my Google Chrome, and once you tap and logged in using your email, then this is going to be the next page that you will take a look at. So this is the Refusion beta, which means we can generate unlimited music during early beta. We can try to generate full-length songs with our new model Fuzz. You can upload your own audio, find your sound, and of course, publish your favorites. So you just have to tick this box right here so we can try to agree all the Refusion terms and conditions and then just directly hit on continue. Now we'll try to create our own username. So let's go ahead and try to input a username right here and just tap on done. So we just successfully created an account with Riffusion Beta, and right here, this is the actual, or this is the latest version of Riffusion, which is going to be the Fuzz 0.8. So on the Fuzz 0.8, this is their actual default personalized generation, and again, publish your favorites. So I just tap on Let's Go. And in here, you'll have options on left portion of your screen. That's going to be Home, which is the default, your library, your projects, your playlist. So playlist is actually a workspace in like Suno AI. So if we'll try to use home and then just use the text prompt of songs that you can imagine, then we can just try to, add those songs to our playlist right here. So if you clicked on this plus icon, we can actually customize the current playlist we want. Now, next thing is going to be the personalized. So this is actually the new update, which is the for 0.8. So we can apply personalization and becomes available at debut level. So debut level is going to be right here. So debut level is the very first level 1. So it needs at least 1,000 points for us to reach the debut level. And then we have gold, platinum, diamond, and mythic. So these are the default points that we can try to, how often we can use this platform right here. So we can try to accumulate points. Now the next thing is going to be the vibes. So vibes X kind of works the same with playlists. Just have to customate it, create, or change the title on your own preference. You can invite friends by using this link. You can copy it and just paste it over to any platforms do you have in mind, and then just have a invite link to be sent out. Docs is actually kind of work like an FAQs on Refusion and all. And then the next thing is through Discord connections, updates, and this is going to be your default profile. Now you can try to customize your profile. You can change the theme if it's going to be a light, dark, or system generated. And then we can try to use other models right here if it's available. Now settings, we can try to moderate the lyrics. We can, if we turn this on, lyrics that's going to be generated is only cleans. Now learn more and all, and those are the settings that you can try to use on the left portion. Now let's try to generate our a song that we can try to imagine right now. So we'll try to use the prompt before this compose box right here. So prompt is actually a pre-made song that you do have in mind. But once you have generated that song and Riffusion AI provides you around maybe 70 to 80% accurate points on the song that you have in mind, you can still customize the song that is currently generated right here. So let's try to use the prompt first. So let's try uh, rap metal in English. Now you can also try other language, you just have to be specific in here. So let's try rap metal in English and then choose to generate. Now it's gonna take maybe around 2 to 3 minutes for this song to generate, but it's not actually a problem. Suno AI is much faster on generating any files in here other than this one, but it's kind of doing its magic, so we'll just have to wait for it. It's not gonna take that long. So while waiting for this specific points right here, we can also try to customize the projects that we will be creating on the pre-made prompts. So say for example, you already have the results from the library, you can just directly add it to your current projects. So it's almost done. So we just use the prompt option or feature in here and Riffusion AI giving us two results. So let's try to listen on the first audio first. Well, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and try on the second result. Trusted you with everything I had inside. Here's a friendship, now it's all just fucking lies. Saw you talking shit. So as you can see, if you choose on any of um, automated prompt songs in here, you're provided with publish, use vibe, or you can remix the song. So on the remix portion, you can change the cover. So the song that we are in right now is gonna be this option here that says burn it down. So the song is that long, around 3 minutes and 23 seconds. So we can also extend it. We can replace the lyrics or we can replace the instrumental breakdowns. You can swap vocals and swap sound. And you can also use this current prompt. And then in here, you can again remix by changing the cover, extend, replace, swap vocals, swap sound, and use prompt. You can also trim the current prompt. You can use this vibe. You can edit the details. You can change the privacy. You can copy the link. You can add this to your current project, to your playlist, to the queue. You can download this, maybe an MP3, an M4A, or a WAV file. You can get the stems. So get stems is actually breaking down the song like a karaoke style, and so on and so forth. So let's try to remix it by changing the cover. So if you click on that, you'll automatically be redirected to the compose page beside the prompt. So this is where you can change the lyrics. But if you're good in this one, you can also try to use the ghostwriter feature. So let's try to use the ghostwriter feature. So this is gonna work somehow like a chat GPT. So if you would like, I want a lyrics about this song for this song. Okay, and then just choose on update. So it's gonna take around a minute for the ghostwriter to generate a specific song on your preference. And here you can also add a vibe if it's gonna be a rap metal aggressive riffs, a new metal beats, depending on what type of song that you are creating. And then on the cover, you can upload an image. You can also try to use the prompt image as a pre-made image that will be provided. Now in here, we can try if all the settings that we just set up is going to be good. Then we can try to upload or generate all in all. So that's pretty much it. Uh, you can try to use it more often depending on how you will be using it. So you can also try and accumulate points on the earning level in here. So the more points, the more upcoming levels that you'll have more opportunities to come. So that's pretty much it. Those are the most basic parts of Riffusion Beta for you to be able to get started and making that song that you imagine. So that's how you use Riffusion AI.